Good morning, dear students. Today we have to deal with the properties of indifference curve. Since we discussed in our last class meaning, definition, schedule and formation of indifference curve. So right now we are able to continue our study by discussing about properties of indifference curve. Before starting the properties, some universal law required to be discussed here. Law of consistency, law of transitivity and the consistency, transitivity, first, second, transitivity and the third, monotonic preferences. Dear friend, after discussing meaning of the law, we may able to identify, observe and analyze the all properties of indifference curve. What are these? Our IC is based on such assumptions: consistency, if there is two bundles X and Y, or if there is two bundles A and B. Suppose in between A and B, we consider A better than B. If it is so, अगर हमारा कंज्यूमर एक बार डिसाइड कर लेता है A is superior than B, then no other possibility to have B greater than A. Means the preference of consumer is so consistent, it cannot be changed in any situation. So, if A greater than B, we have to reject A equal B is rejected and A less than B also rejected. If we decided first, there is no probability to have the two alternative. एक बार आपने डिसाइड कर ली A सुपीरियर है B से, तो कभी भी B A के इक्वल और सुपीरियर नहीं हो सकते. Reason: the selection of consumer is based on a strong rational behavior. What we discussed in the meaning of ordinal approach, we can arrange our alternative choices in a strong logical order. In a strong logical order, we have to arrange our preferences such that there is no probability to change in it. So, the first assumption, consistency. Second is transitivity. See the concept of transitivity. What is this? If bundle A is better than bundle B and bundle B is better than bundle C. See the law of transitivity. So, A must be better than C. What we are applying here, A is superior than B and B superior than C. So from the law of transitivity, A and B का relation A और C पर transferable होगा. So you can say A must greater than C. So if between two A and B bundles, consumer prefer to have bundle A. and between B and C bundle, consumer preferred to have bundle B. Then, in the presence of all three bundles, A, B and C, in all three, our arrangement should be as such: A better than B, better than C. Means A is superior than both the bundles B and C separately. So, after consistency, log transitivity also applied for indifference curve. And third, monotonic preferences. Dear student, you must remember, monotonic preferences is the most important topic for the preparation of examination, because almost every year question has been asked regarding the concept, meaning or application of monotonic preferences. So, it is the most important assumption of indifference curve. See, the concept of monotonic preferences, there are two conditions applied here. See the concept, monotonic preferences. Condition 1. Monotonic preferences also apply in between two or more bundles having two commodities. This is our limitation of indifference curve. We have taken assumption there are two goods consumed by consumer, good X and good Y. So, suppose we have two bundles, two or more bundles. We can take example of two. The first condition, in between bundle A and B, there are two good X and Y. तो हमें दो कंडीशन एस्टेब्लिश करनी है. One on the basis of availability of good X and other on the basis of availability of Y. So the first condition is, in preferred bundle at least one additional unit of good X in bracket, vice versa. You can apply in both. One, in preferred bundle, हम जिस बंडल को प्रेफर कर रहे हैं, at least one additional unit of good X is given in comparison to bundle to other bundle to other bundle, and second is पहला either X और Y का एक एटलीस्ट वन यूनिट एक्स्ट्रा हमारे प्रेफर्ड बंडल में दी गई है इन कंपैरिजन टू अदर. एंड सेकंड, देयर इज नो लेस यूनिट ऑफ अदर ग्रुप इन प्रेफर्ड bundle. comparison to other. There are two conditions. अगर हमने फर्स्ट कंडीशन गुड एक्स के बेस पे फिक्स कर लिया तो हम उसी बंडल को प्रेफर करेंगे जिसमें एक्स की एटलीस्ट वन मोर यूनिट अवेलेबल हो. ओके, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव टू सेट द अदर कंडीशन on the basis of other good, it may y. Means if at least one additional unit of x is given in bundle A in comparison to B, it should be preferred if and only if the second condition, that is, there is no less unit of other good, means good y की एक भी यूनिट बंडल बी से कम नहीं है बंडल ए में. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, almost all the analysis of indifference curve we have to explain on the basis of monotonic preferences. Right now you can define the concept of monotonic preferences. Monotonic preferences refers to the preference of one bundle over others, in which there is one additional unit of one commodity is available in the preferred bundle in comparison to other bundles, but no less unit of other good. Is it clear? Means monotonic preference refer to the preference chosen by our consumer on the basis of availability of unit of both the goods in all the bundles. The first condition, in preferred bundle at least one additional unit of good x और वाइस वर्सा. अगर x को पैरामीटर रखते हैं x और y को रखते हैं y. इन फर्स्ट केस x, सपोज हमने x को रखी है इन प्रेफर्ड बंडल, एटलीस्ट वन एडिशनल यूनिट ऑफ x इज गिवन इन कंपैरिजन टू अदर बंडल, बट देयर इज नो लेस यूनिट ऑफ अदर गुड, दैट इज y. सो in that case we have to select the bundle in which at least one additional unit of any good, either x or y or both, is given. So we can discuss it through the examples. Please consider some examples. We are taking the bundle A equal 2 unit of x and 3 unit of y, and bundle B 3 unit of x and 3 unit of y. You can apply the x for condition 1 in between A and B. B is superior than A with respect to good x. Okay. good x को जब आप बेस मानते हो तो B में 3 यूनिट और A में 2 यूनिट. B is superior, but in case of good one. B equal A with respect to good y. y के आधार पर दोनों इक्वल है, बट x के आधार पर b is superior. So our selection B must be preferred over bundle A. This is popularly known as monotonic preference. Second opinion, second example, A contains 2 units of x, 3 units of y, and B contains 3 units of x and 4 units of y. See the condition. For both the good x and y, B is superior. There is no other option to prefer bundle A over B. We have to prefer bundle B over A. So, at least one is the condition. It may more than 2, 3, 4. Means कोई एक कमोडिटी की एक्स्ट्रा अवेलेबिलिटी कंज्यूमर के प्रेफरेंसेस को बढ़ा देती है. अगर दोनों गुड की एक्स्ट्रा क्वांटिटी है, ऑब्वियस है कंज्यूमर उसी को चूज करेगा. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, 3 assumption we have taken for IC: consistency, transitivity, and monotonic preferences. After that, we may understand the properties of indifference curve. See the first property. The first property indifference curve slope downward. What? It slopes downward. You can take the example y-axis, x-axis, and IC. Why is it so? Why indifference curve slopes downward? Reason: see any point on IC, any 2 points, point A and point B. Here x1, x2, y1, y2. अब आप देखो, अगर A से B की तरफ हमारा कंज्यूमर ट्रांसफर करता है अपने प्रेफरेंस को, व्हाट्स हैपन इफ he move from A to B? A to B तक जाने के लिए more unit of X available in bundle B, but less unit, यहाँ प्लस होगा, less unit of Y is available. So अगर हम X मोर ऐड कर रहे हैं तो Y हमें मोर सेक्रीफाइस करनी होगी. So due to that, it slopes downward. You can say there is negative slope. Second property, and indifference curve is convex to the origin. Dear students, our indifference curve is convex to the origin. What reason behind? The reason is region of convexity diminution MRX XY, marginal rate of substitution between good X and good Y. Here MRS XY calculated by delta Y upon delta X, and for negative slope we have to take negative sign where delta y stands for change in quantity of good y delta x stands for change in quantity of good x means और ऊपर loss gain. The ratio between loss and gain is popularly known as marginal rate of substitution between x and y. It's also known as marginal rate of technical substitution (MRTS) x and y. There is a tendency of MRSXY to diminish due to diminishing MRSXY. Our IC is convex to the origin. Convexity IC curve convex to the origin. So dear student, our second property is our IC is convex to the origin. See the convexity indicates x y IC. मैं क्या चेक करूँ? See the changes in upper phase. More changes of y required to have more unit of x. In bottom area, less unit of y required to change to have more unit of good x. So, due to that reason, our IC is convex to the origin. See the next property. See the next property. A rightward IC gives more satisfaction. Rightward or outward IC gives more satisfaction and vice versa. A rightward IC and a leftward IC. A rightward IC and a leftward IC means for third feature we have to make an IC map. What we require to have IC map means a family of ICs. A family of IC हमें 2 और more IC सेम कर्व पे ड्रा करनी है, सेम ग्राफ पे ड्रा करनी है. See, x axis, y axis, go to y, go x. अब हमें क्या करनी है? We have to draw the 2 or more IC. Suppose we draw IC 1, IC 1, IC have drawn 3 IC, IC1, IC2, IC3 to prove a rightward IC gives more satisfaction or leftward IC gives less satisfaction. You can take bundle A, B and C. Bundle A on IC1, bundle B on IC2 and bundle C on IC3. ये क्या करेंगे? बंडल A, B, C हमने एक पैरेलल लाइन पे पॉइंट ले रखी है, तो make our concept more clear to understand. See the availability of quantity of good X in between the bundles A, B and C. अगर X की क्वांटिटी मेजर करेंगे तो फॉर बंडल A, फॉर बंडल B and for bundle C, what can you give your remark? देखो एक में X की यूनिट सबसे कम है, B में उससे ज्यादा है, C में उससे ज्यादा है, but for Y same quantity of good Y available in all three bundles A, B and C. हमारे horizontal line पर देख लो A, B, C. There are three bundles to be taken from all three ICs. In ABC, with respect to good Y, almost same quantity available in all three bundles. So, on the basis of availability of good Y, there is no preference of consumer in all three bundles. But whenever we take good X to prefer our bundle, on the basis of availability of good X, C is superior than B, superior than A. So C is the most preferred bundle between A, B, C region. More unit of X available in C, but no less unit of Y. Both the condition have been fulfilled. So, with respect to monotonic preferences, you can say rightward IC, that is point C, gives more satisfaction. Leftward IC, that is A, gives less satisfaction. See the other analysis on the basis of availability of good Y. We have to take IC, IC1, IC2, IC3. संयुक्त पैरामीटर हमने X को इक्वल रख लिया A, B, C. अब हम क्या करें? On the basis of availability of good Y, वो X, A, B, C तीनों में इक्वल हो गया, Y सबसे कम, उससे ज्यादा और सबसे ज्यादा. C better than B, better than A. In both the cases, what we prefer? A point lie on rightward or outward IC. जो सबसे राइट साइड में IC है, उस पे सेटिस्फेक्शन ज्यादा होगा, उस पे X भी ज्यादा होगा और Y भी ज्यादा हो सकते. अगर Y कांस्टेंट है तो X ज्यादा है, X कांस्टेंट है तो Y ज्यादा है. Okay, so on the basis of that, we can conclude our remark. A rightward IC gives a rightward indifference curve gives more satisfaction and vice versa. So, dear student, this is the third property. Next, fourth property. Two or more ICs two or more ICs do not intersect with each other. Two or more intersect each other. What's happened if the two or more IC intersect each other? See, our property is if we plot two or more ICs on same graph paper, there is no probability to intersect by ICs one to other. Suppose हमें इसको प्रूव करने के लिए ICs को इंटरसेक्ट करा लेनी चाहिए, पता चले अगर ऐसी इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है. Suppose we have taken two ICs such that IC1 and IC2. IC1 and IC2. After that, we can take any 3 points. One point is at the point of intersection. Suppose each point B, A and C. A and C. There are 3 points we have taken. See the application of monotonic preferences to prefer an IC. In between A and C. A and C. Y is equal, X unequal. A superior, A greater than C. In between A and B, A equal B. Region lie on same IC. A and B को आप ठीक से ऑर्डर करो. A and B IC2 पर लाई कर रहा है और IC2 gives some equal satisfaction at each and every point. तो A should be equal to B, but in between A and C, A is superior than C. अब बताओ अगर A superior है C से और B equal है C से, B equal है A के, what should be the law of transitivity? It should be, since A equal B, B should be greater than C. A सुपीरियर है C पर और B इक्वल है A का, तो B C पर सुपीरियर होनी चाहिए. बट B observe B equal C, but what we observe? We observe B equal C since both lie on same IC1. So dear student, law of transitivity is rejected as well as law of consistency also rejected. So there is no possibility to intersect two or more IC. इसको एक और तरीके से आप चेक कर सकते हो. See the other application to reject the intersections of IC अभी तक हमने 3 बंडल ही लिए हैं, अब आपको 5 बंडल्स लेने हैं। E1 2 3 IC3 IC2 IC1 अभी तक हमने लिया है वाले सब टाइप ऑफ बंडल। अब इसको थोड़ा और इम्प्रूव करें। पॉइंट है A B C D and E। Two or more IC, two ICs, IC1, IC2। हमें पॉइंट कितने लेने हैं? 2 पैरेलल हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन A, C, B and 2 vertical line D and E। See the selection between A and C superior than A। In between D and E, D and E, D superior than E, D superior than E। अब क्या होगा? D lie on IC1 में, on that basis क्या कर सकते हैं? D IC1 कर रहा है, IC1 better than IC2। यहाँ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं? C on IC2, therefore IC2 better than IC1। यहाँ पे IC1 better हो गया, IC2 better हो गया। Where is the law of consistency? Law of consistency is rejected। ट्रांजिटिविटी के लिए हमें D को अप्लाई करना है, बट अगर एक और पॉइंट ले रहे हैं, what we can apply law of consistency। हमने स्टडी किया, अगर एक चीज प्रेफर हमने कर लिया है 1 टाइम, तो लास्ट टाइम तक अल्टीमेटली वही बंडल हम प्रेफर करते रहेंगे। सो सी ए इक्वली सेम IC पर है और यहाँ ए इंफीरियर है, तो डी यहाँ इंफीरियर होनी चाहिए। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, देयर इज नो प्रोबेबिलिटी it's rejected। Law of consistency is rejected, so there is no possibility। And the last property and IC never touches X or Y axis। Property number 5 and I and difference curve never touches X axis or Y axis। Why is it so? IC never touches X और Y axis। हमें एक को Y से टच करा देनी है, दूसरे को X से टच करा देनी है। IC1, IC2। What's happened? Our assumption was X must equal 0, good Y must greater than 0, but at point of intersection of Y, here Y equal 0 and here X equal 0, there is non-negativity assumption। हमें कंजम्पशन के लिए दोनों गुट की जरूरत है, X और Y। दोनों का कंजम्पशन जरूरी है. बट when we touch x or y axis, if it touches x or y, it's against the assumption of our IC approach. Our IC requires bundle of two commodities. Two commodity x and y both positively required for application of our indifference curve approach. So, dear students, these are the 5 properties. You can minimize all 5 properties in 3 properties. कई बार आप दूसरे कुछ राइटर की बुक जो पढ़ोगे तो किसी में 5 प्रॉपर्टीज होगी, किसी में 3 प्रॉपर्टीज होगी. जब भी आपको 3 प्रॉपर्टी स्टडी करना हो, आप फर्स्ट 2 प्रॉपर्टी IC इज अ डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग कर्व कन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन, दो को एक साथ मर्ज कर लो. क्या करें? IC स्लोप्स डाउनवर्ड. IC इज अ डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग कर्व कन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन. हमारी 2 प्रॉपर्टी, फर्स्ट थी IC स्लोप्स डाउनवर्ड, सेकंड थी H कन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन. दोनों को एक साथ मर्ज कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट I2 property are most important are rightward IC gives more satisfaction and vice versa, and the next is 2 or more IC never intersect each other. These 3 are most important property. Last property based on assumption, इसे आप ignore भी कर सकते हो, but since we are discussing here, no need to ignore. You can write all 5, but all 5 taken together constitute the value of 3 marks only in the examination. So dear student, whenever it is asked to mention or explain the properties of ICs, आप 3 नंबर के लिए केवल 3 पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन नहीं करके 5 पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन करोगे. All taken together constitute the value of only 3 or 4 marks. So thanks all. We'll meet in the next class for the discussion of IC map and consumer equilibrium through the IC approach. Thanks all.